Yeah, which test was stopped on? Was test number 3.
آه، احنا المرة اللي فاتت خلصنا كومباين سيتنس
Yeah,
سنتنس.
right.
وحكوا اديت لي عليهم ورك حليته. بس لسه في حاجات انا لسه انا افتح السؤال 30، يعني لسه نص حوالي 42 صفحه تاني تعمل سؤال. انا مخلص على 37. كان ورايا حاجات تانية، ورايا كان كورس انجلش متلغى برضه. كان ورايا واجب كورس انجلش، معلش قصدي كورس ماس قصدي. معلش.
Okay,
انا لو في حاجه تقف
so
معايا ايه واقف. بس 35.
yeah, I'm going to share now, and you
شير سكرين
tell
ولا
me what
هم؟
I'm going to share. Don't worry. No, I'm going to share mine. No, I'm going to share mine. Yeah.
نعم. انا مش سامع الصوت بيقطع. ماشي تعالى تعالى كده.
Yes,
نعم. مش صوت.
I'm going to share my share.
اه اوكي.
Yeah, which page is stopped on?
احنا عرفنا هاكل تنجح على الموت صح؟ انا حالل.
Yeah, yeah. Did we study combining? I guess.
لو خلصناها.
Okay. Now, did we correct the questions or not?
احنا حل او معايا كويشن او حليت كله. الاسئله كلها حليناها كلها انا حليت الاسئله كلها. حليت معايا اول 5 اسئله. اول تقريبا 6 اسئله بالظبط هنا. يعني كل شيت حليت معايا اول 6 اسئله مش شيت بس. وبعد كده كتبت الباقي.
Okay, my dear. Now let's continue.
بس عايز اتاكد برضه عشان في حاجه برضه معايا، يعني ممكن نحل من اول واحد لحد
All right. So what is number 1?
نمبر 1 بي.
لا, number 1 it's B, correct. Number 2.
نمبر 2 سي.
Number 2 C, correct. 3. Yeah.
3.
Come on, what is 3?
انا كنت عايز اتاكد منها، بس انا كنت اعملها ايه كنت اعملها ديليت دي.
Oh, right side, but speak out in English to help my ear.
اوكي.
Right? Yeah, speak out in English slowly. It just like to help my mind. Come on, what is number 3?
دي.
Letter D, correct. Perfect. 4.
نمبر 4. مش المشكله عايز ارجع عشان اعرف انا عملت عملتها سي صح. بس افتكرت. مش عايز ارجع
C.
ورا مش فاهم ولا دي.
Yeah, no problem. You can say your answer. If it's correct, we skip it. If it's wrong, we re-answer again.
اوكي. بي.
Mm. Number 5B, correct. Number 6.
لا 6 و 7 ما حلتهمش، بطلب منهم برضه. عايز.
Let's answer together. Yeah, it's so simple, but we need to do it together. Now let's prove why B correct. Together. Why B correct.
ماشي انا كنت
Number
عارف
one here.
ماشي. بس برضه متلخبط برضه مش
Yeah,
عارف.
we have subject. It's okay. Yeah, number one, we have subject, and then comma, non-essential information, and then verb. So between the two commas, we have clause, non-essential information. If you wanted to choose letter A, it will be wrong because you repeat the subject again. So A, it's redundant. Now here, if you said here, for this is one, it is wrong because it's a dramatic language or redundant. It was national recognition he gained. So why should I repeat the subject? I already have it. So letter C is wrong. For letter D, if you said Michael Larson, nationally recognized, see, recognized by winning. So how nationally recognized by winning?
مم.
Does not describe it. You are not talking about that he is nationally recognized by winning.
مم.
But we know that who gained national recognition by winning. So here, for letter D, it's awkward. You change the meaning. Letter D, it is correct. Letter B, we have who for persons and gained for past simple tense because already we have past. And we have no mistake. He gained national recognition by winning. So winning gave him national recognition. Not he is nationally recognized. Do you know it?
اه برضه مستغرب برضه السؤال ده اتلخبطت فيه. او احنا برضه ليه ما اخترناش ايه؟ برضه احنا قلنا ايه ما
Because repetition of the subject he.
بعد الكوما سبجكت ماشي.
Okay, why should I repeat the subject? I already know it.
اوكي.
And you have non-essential information between two comments, so we need clause, not sentence.
مم.
This is sentence again, subject to verb. So
اه
why should I repeat the subject and verb? Already you know it. And it is non-essential information between two comments. We don't need sentence.
اوكي.
We need clause or phrase.
مم.
For number seven. For number seven, let's prove together why D correct. Let's see. As we studied before, comma fanboys complete sentence, comma fanboys complete sentence full stop correct. Now let's prove this is part sentence or fragment. Let's prove.
ماشي اوكي.
As we have studied, to know sentence or fragment, find the subject and verb. To
مم.
find the subject and verb, delete all the phrases, delete all the clauses, delete all the non-essential information, and then check the rest of the sentence.
طب
Now let's go to delete the phrases one by one. Here of complete mode preposition phrase, and then clause which would lead to more consistency in of the
اوكي.
clause.
ايوه.
Now check is this is part sentence or fragment?
مم.
This is part only. This
اسمع.
fragment has no subject or verb.
مم.
يبقى so fragment. So fragment before fanboy is A, fanboy is B, fanboy is C. So all of them wrong.
معلش من تاني حاجة قلت rather than begin part يعني.
Or rather than being a part, it's a fragment, not sentence. Before fanboys, it must be complete sentence.
يعني مش complete sentence ماشي بيكون fragment صح ماشي صح صح ايوه صح.
Now that means B, A, B, C wrong because all of them fanboys.
صح يعني
Now we
في
need to
boys في
know
حاجة
why,
اسمها complete ايوه صح. صح.
why D correct. Because as I told you, you can use info, and the info means any phrase, any clause. Before you start your sentence, it is subject verb complement, you know, and then sentence. So we imagine it like that. We have info, comma, and then complete sentence. Full stop. And this is structure, it is correct.
مستر
Hmm.
كويس سؤال واحد بس هو ذات حاجة بتعمل جديد في ذات أو which أو هو بعديها دايما لو بعديها فيرب ما في المفروض ذات أو which أو هو أو هوم بعديه دايما subject وفيرب. احنا لو بعديه فيرب بيعمل ديليت صح؟
Now we sometimes follow the meaning, but I told you that most common after who we use verb because who represents the subject. So you need after it verb.
أيوه.
And whom we expect it to have subject and the verb
مم.
plus verb. Imagine because whom it's object. If after it we need subject and verb.
مم.
So this most common, but sometimes you must check the meaning, right?
طيب.
Yeah, for example, here look students who choose after who we have verb. So who plus who here subject because it represents the subject of students. Students who choose. Students here plural, so choose plural. That's simple example. Mhm. Come on. Here, letter B, it is correct.
آه.
Number 8, what is your answer?
نمبر 8. السؤال كان نمبر 8 كنت أنا. طب مستر ما ينفعش مستر أسمع أكلة بره عشان أجيب بس أنا.
Alright, do what you want, but speak out in English as much as you can.
أنا أصل أنا كاتب
Because
حاجة في الشيت بس أنا
yeah, you can check up your notebook or booklet as you like.
السؤال رقم كام بقى؟ So. كنت مختار سي مثلا سي. يعني مستر سي.
So number 9, C.
لا لا مش سي، معلش دي اتلخبطت دي.
Number 8, it must be A.
يبقى
Why? We follow the rules. Is before calling complete sentence. Yes. Here we have subject. Here we have verb. You see, like this. Here we have clause. Students who choose residential university don't come. So we have subject. We have verb. Between them, we have clause. And then we have phrases to complete the meaning. After calling, we have an explanation. Substantial part of the learning experience happens in corridors. We explain you why they don't come just for goes in the classroom. You know it, so they come for a lot of ways of learning. We can learn in the corridors, we can learn in houses, in dormitories,
اه عشان
in
في ليست
between
يعني.
classes, in debates.
في
So
ليست
this
صح.
explanation. Explanation.
اكسبلانيشن
Letter
برضه يعني. ماشي.
yes. Letter B, it's wrong. Why? Because he put comma here. That means the phrase after the clause, it's essential.
اوكي.
Comma here, it's non-essential. Plus, this is not a positive phrase to the word classroom.
امم.
يبقى comma here is misplaced, so it's wrong. طيب. And we have studied before that before full stop must be complete, after must be complete. So the first part complete correct, but the second part here to the end, it's a fragment. If you check it, you'll find a fragment because all of them only phrases. Yeah, let's prove together what this part. This part is sentence or fragment? This part. To prove why C is wrong. The first part here correct, but the second part wrong. Now delete the phrases. Of learning experience, delete, and then here in corridors delete, in houses delete, in delete,
كلاس.
then delete, and then delete, and then delete. So now a substantial part happens.
اوكي.
That is correct.
امم.
But when you read here, a substantial part of learning happening, this part lacks helping verb. Must be, is happening, was happening, have been happening. So we have a problem in this verb phrase. But the second part has a mistake. The verb has a mistake. So the second part, the fragment. Fragment, it must be wrong. As we agreed, complete sentence full stop, complete sentence full stop, correct. Here, the second part here, it lacks a subject. So it's a fragment, so C is wrong. For letter D, it is the same. Before semicolon must be complete, it's already complete. But the second part has a mistake with this verb. Yes or no?
يس.
That's it. And I told you before, if you find the full stop and the semicolon at the same placement. Look, the same. Full stop, semicolon, and everything the same. Everything the same. Look, there is no any difference. That means both of them wrong. So if I find full stop and semicolon at the same placement and everything in the answer is the same, that means both of them wrong. That's why. Because full stop means semicolon. Before them and after them, it must be complete sentences. That's it. Now, number 9.
Number 9. Okay. انا هعملها سي. هي مستوى سي. وهي صح وغلط سي. مستر
For number 9,
سي.
number 9 must be letter B.
طب ليه مش سي بقى؟
Let's prove one by one.
مم.
So here for the letter A. Why letter A is wrong? Let's prove. Cold food comes, subject, verbs in contact with the roof of the mouth. Command from boys. The headache is triggered. So this means we have compound sentence. Yes or no? So if you wanted to start a new sentence again, here it and extends, as you know here it is a complete sentence, subject and then verb and then complements. That means a comma splice, complete, comma, complete, wrong. So A is wrong. Again, letter C, why it is wrong? Because it's repetitive. He repeats the subject it. Why should I repeat the subject? Already I can use extending and it's already understood. And what does it refers to? What does it refer to? It's ambiguous pronoun. So we have a mistake.